Hello everyone. I have a base icon player pick in this store and the last base icon pack, and I did get this man right here. Oh, where is he? Here we go. This man right here. So, I really do hope that it repays me again. Let's not get a bum. So I'm going to cover it up. You're going to see, but I'm not. So first player already owned Henry. Second one, kicking, handling, diving, Van der Sar. Last one, this is not going so great. It's a good card. Matthias. Definitely, probably use him in my team. Now we do have a small prime gold players pack. We get this guy, Silver. All these guys, and then a 25k pack, and Fabianski. Nothing there. But I do get Matthias, baby Matthias. It's good. I do like that. It's actually really good. Actually really good. Being serious, that is actually really good. I've also got that for my pack somewhere. Instead of Dest, the Garvadio there. And bring Chippy to right back, Guardia centre back, and Matthias up to the midfield position. There you go. A bit more chem now as well. Get Verts on for someone like Muriel. Did he make the team? To be fair, to be really fair, Leverkusen, he'll be on full chem. And check the alternate positions. Advertise this. This is not advertised. This is not advertised. Centre mid. Brilliant. So he could probably just play in the midfield. Yeah, I think I might just do that. So, we do have a team on our hands. And a good one of that. And yeah, I appreciate the pack that has just been given to me by EA Sports FIFA HD Vancouver, Canada. Yes, he is on free cam. Amazing. Put a hunter on him. Matthias, where's he going to play? Midfield. So he would like to put something like Hunter on him, and Trippier is now playing right back, so he's not midfield anymore. He's going to drop back with an anchor. That is a very, very good team I have on my hands. Get a Bundesliga manager, get 2 chem but lose 2 chem. Very good upgrade to the team. And enjoyed this ride that I had with you in this video. And Goodbye.